Oh.
What's up, YouTube? We're gonna be doing a little riding today. Got my buddy's new bike here. I just got a new e-bike, the Rawrr Mantis X. And then you've seen this before, my good old Freego X2. My buddy's gonna be riding that. I'll be riding this. We're gonna hit the local park for a little ride, do some trails. Stay tuned. Also, got this nice new helmet with goggles that get darker in the sunlight. The
I
recording?
think it looks good.
Is it recording?
Yeah, you're recording.
All right, we're live, baby.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go left to our usual spot. Okay. I'm on your left.
Oh, we're taking the first right, correct?
Yeah. Just keep going straight. You hear nuts?
Yeah.
Oh shit. It smells like weed. It smells like marijuana. I feel like I got some good angles of you here. Very flattering angles.
How's the balls? That's
Good. We're gonna get stronger. Ooh. We're here at the tunnel. This tunnel will lead us to like this golf course area, which will then lead us to the park we're trying to go to with trails. Oh shit. Oh. I think my back is all mudded out. Let's do a mud check.
God damn it.
Oh yeah. Look, I got like little shit nuggets on me.
Yeah, I know. Fuck I don't care about the pants, my fucking white shit.
How's my back looking?
How do I look?
Yours is actually good. You had a little nugget, it rolled off. How's mine? In the back?
Yeah, you're all good.
There you go. Maybe one day I'll have the skill to just go straight up this ramp. So this is the golf course I was mentioning. I think it's called the Prado Golf Course here in Chino Hills. So man,
Literally get so much mud in my eyes on that ride.
I need to get an extra pair of goggles, huh?
Oh yeah, I should have just worn fucking glasses or something.
You should have just wore your motorcycle helmet.
Nah, I have a pair of fucking Oakley
Oh, I could have gave you mine.
Yeah, like
Mine are pretty good. I was wearing them before I got these goggles and they did good.
I mean, they work just good enough.
Yeah, like shit really can't get over them
but
too easy.
It's only when you ride through that mud and the mud starts flying off. It's not like I need it right.
Dude, I was right behind you when we hit it. I was like, ah, I had to move left real quick.
I felt that shit spray on my
It was less liquidy though. It was like thick,
yeah,
like chunks of it.
yeah.
The last time we came, it was all liquid.
Yeah.
So we've done this ride a few times, but I kept forgetting to bring my helmet the last several times.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Probably won't super. We should hit this range.
Yeah.
How much is ammo for like an hour or two of shooting?
I'm not sure.
I don't know how much it costs these days.
It depends. I know some places will pack their own ammo.
Oh, you can't bring your own?
Well, no, you can, but that's more expensive. If you buy some cheap pack, I'm going. Go, 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 go.
Let's go, baby. So this is like the edge of the park we're gonna be hitting, but we'll go through the entrance. And then we'll just sneak in through this little side entrance here. Whoop, whoop. So we're off. Oh shit! Ooh. Man, my tires, the slipping point is so quick with the brakes.
Oh yeah.
It's like it's like barely a quarter way and they slip.
Right, yeah.
It's so soon.
The rear brake,
Yeah, I can get that rear one slide and.
Yeah. That's like kind of a good thing, in my opinion, because I like, when that rear end kind of dances a little bit, but I want that front end to kind of be more
stable. Yeah.
The front end's where all the real braking power's at.
Well, we're gonna have to hit that AM/PM and get some Gatorades.
Yeah. On the way out by the that RC plane.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Yeah. Just make our way over there. Do you want to go hit those salt flat things real quick too for the video?
Yeah.
Or at least just one.
I want to show the lake. I want to get as much views and cool visuals.
Not too much like wasting the battery in there, but just enough for a clip or two,
Yeah. Well, apparently that's 12 hours of filming, so
yeah, that's what it says, but I'm like, I don't know. I feel like GoPros have always been like known as things that don't last long.
True. Yeah, people carry multiple of the little batteries.
Everyone's always complaining about, oh, my GoPro died. So it's like,
yeah.
Hey, make sure you turn your head for the views too sometimes.
Oh yeah. I gotta remember. A little bridge. This one?
Right, yeah.
Right?
Yeah. That's where we went last time.
Okay. Yeah, let's just check that out and then we'll hit the salt plains. We're gonna show you guys our little secret fishing spot we found that we haven't actually successfully fished anything at, but it looks like a potentially cool fishing spot. Oh! 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 Yeah! Oh, wow. I don't even know. Yeah, no injury at all. Not even a scratch.
I mean, it's a bike though.
Oh, I don't know. I hope it is.
Well, I mean, did you lay down hard or was it just kind of a lay down?
I twisted my front wheel a little bit. Okay. Help me pull her back here. Ugh.
Maybe just aim it forward and just ride out, dude.
Oh.
No, just sit on it and ride forward real quick.
Hold on, I gotta fix the wheel though.
Yeah, just go out. Oh, dude, you really, yeah.
Hold on, let me.
Just gas it forward a little bit. Just kind of.
Go that way? Hold on, let me. Ready.
Oh no, I think you broke it.
Oh yeah, it came out.
Fuck.
That same piece, dude.
No way. Is that why you veered off?
That's why I veered off.
Okay, because you didn't just eat shit, your bike fucking failed on you. God damn, dude.
I wonder if it's somewhere along the way. I tightened it so tight this time. Oh, I gotta take out my goggles. I'm hot.
Dude, we're gonna have to get back. Wait, just check for your axle though.
It's still in.
It's still okay. You lost the nut then?
I lost the nut.
Man, I could have been gone for who knows how long. Oh, fuck.
I was crossing in and out of here. That's a terrible piece to lose. Yeah. Okay, Nick got the axle popped back in, just enough to barely hang on.
You are missing the
We're just missing the nut.
Yeah. Hey, are you recording right now?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Hey, what's going on, fucking Rawrr Mantis? This is the second time this happened.
Second time. It might be a user error. Maybe I'm not tightening it down enough, but the issue I had was on this bike, I tightened it too much and I stripped it out. So I was trying to go softer, but it's fucked me twice.
Yeah, but to be fair, you wouldn't have had that problem with the Honda.
I wouldn't have that problem with a Honda.
Mantis. Right. Key staying the whole time?
Key staying like a car.
Okay.
All right, you're live.
Is that backing? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it fucking easy.
Okay, I'm just gonna be riding next to you. Yeah, also scanning the floor.
Can you stand and hold the wheel?
The janky pedals on this, man, Freego. Oh, hub motor feels nice and silent. Oh shit, this was crazy. Haven't ridden this fucker in a minute. It feels crazy.
Right? It feels weird. I'm sitting on the rear.
The seat feels like high.
Sorry.
You're good.
I'm freaking surfing. I got no drill tracks on the front. I'm trying to like at least keep the weight off the front wheel as much as I can.
It'd be cool if I just see a shiny little black thing suddenly.
I looked all the way through. Yeah, and at this rate, you know, you could have left that cap who knows how long.
Yeah, it could have just been hanging on for dear life. Because like how it's holding on right now.
Yeah, because I showed you those 4 Allen bolt sections are supposed to grip onto that axle really dead ass tight.
So it was holding it on pretty good, minus the cap.
These are 4 shiny Allens. The 4 shiny Allens get loosened, and then you put the axle through.
Yeah.
Tying the axle down and then tying all 4 Allens really fucking tight over that axle to keep that axle solid, you know? So
I have an extra axle, and that axle has a little cap screwed into it, and I think it'll work, unless it's like reverse threaded.
We should definitely put a new axle on just in case too.
Okay, yeah, I have a fresh axle.
Same one from last time too.
Yeah, it is.
Maybe it's just a bum axle.
I need some silicone or lube or grease or white lithium or something to...
Yeah, to actually put on the axle.
I don't have any.
I looked nuts and I come up and I'm like, I don't want to say, hey, use Loctite.
Can I use Vaseline for on the axle part?
Yeah, like so something like that, you know, some type of...
I mean, let me look it up, yeah. Cooking oil maybe? I don't know.
It does on that type of shit. I've never personally used Vaseline, so...
Yeah.
I just have a bunch of that shit at home, like a couple tubes of it.
The lithium? Or the silicone? The grease?
I forget what the fucking shit is, but I've had it for so many, like 10 plus years for my mountain bike stuff.
Oh, nice. Oh, it could be anywhere here.
It's good enough, you know. I've used it on all my axles. Okay, we're still good on the axle so far, though.
All right, just don't veer into traffic like me.
Yeah.
To the right, too. Dude, I got that on film.
I know.
It's so fun.
I literally thought you ate shit.
No, I just couldn't. I just started turning. And then but I kept gassing it. I didn't brake because like I was like, I don't know, my hands were, I want to see on video what it looks like. I want to see how I fucked up in terms of not braking. So,
Same way we came or a different way?
yeah, we can go left and then go through the golf course again. Do you want to cross the street? Yeah. Now?
Yo.
Good shit. Dude, it's been way easier to cross this time.
Yeah. Now let's go.
Let's wait for our buddy here. Shooting range. Public shooting. This is the archery. Junior Olympic Archery Development Archery Range, open to the public Sunday 8:30 to 2. I want to check this place out one day.
Hey, hold on. I gotta call my boss.
Yeah, yeah.
Good to go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I want to check that out.
yeah, we should get into that.
Oh, you should get Matt, what's his name's cousin?
Oh, Zumbo.
Zumbo.
Fear.
The Olympic archer.
Yeah, my dad also is into archery.
Oh, nice.
It's a compound bow. Remember he killed that elk?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's badass.
So yeah, I've been wanting to do it. I've shot a recurve and a compound bow before throughout my lifetime, but I've never owned one. So it'd be really sick to like pick up a little compound bow or something and learn to do, you know?
I fucked myself up with the bow one time.
Oh, you smacked your arm?
Yeah. Dude, my shit turned black.
Yeah, oh yeah.
My arm was black.
Yeah, dude, that shit will fuck
It looked
up.
horrible. Horrible. I think I burst some blood vessels.
Oh yeah, it'll fuck you up too.
And I did it twice, so it really got nasty, like on the same spot.
Yeah.
Wow, imagine I see that little cap. I'm hoping I see it. I'm still looking. Uphill going 40. X2's no slouch either. She's nice and silent. Just doesn't have the same put you in the back of your seat torque as the mid drive on the Mantis X, but it's still very nice. It's a nice like road bike, I feel like. Squirrel! Squirrel! Poor Nick's going slow because the axle's about to slip out with no nut. How you doing? Oh, he looks good.
Remember, you go, Freego.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, dude, fucking literally was going 35 miles an hour for a while.
Oh, pretty good. I thought you were going slow.
The axle, I'm like, God, this is terrifying.
You felt it slip?
No, but I'm just like scared.
Yeah, because you could just veer off to the right at any moment. At least you know which direction it'll go.
Yes,
right.
It has to come out this way.
And that means it'll make you turn right. I learned that.
Take that turn. I like the Freego a little bit, that it turns so easy.
Such a nice turning radius. It has more like a bicycle turning radius. That's more like a motorcycle turning radius.
Exactly. Hey, but do you want to go straight all the way past the skate park? Is what I mean, or do we have to cut through the?
Oh no, we can go straight here. Yeah.
That's what I mean. Well, let's go straight through here, so we just stay on roads. You know, not so vibrating for this fucking.
Yeah, then we'll go like that freeway route. Remember that same route that I took that one time? The last time I was wounded. My battery might die any moment, so I'll resume the footage if it dies when we get back to the garage to repair the X2. Oh, she's gonna be juicy. Hell yeah.
It was right here where your axle first fell off.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then we took this little route all slow home.
Same exact style too, you know, with I'm like gotta punch you put it out.
So I really need to tighten that shit down when I put the new part in.
It's those silver ones, remember? So loosen up the 4 silver ones, so the 2 on each side. Take the axle out.
Put the fresh one in.
Fresh one in.
New nut.
Yeah, new
and then
nut,
tighten the 4.
And then tighten the 4. But the thing is, like, if you did that properly, this should not be happening.
I think I didn't tighten the nut hard enough.
Yeah,
I think I tightened the 4 silvers, but not the nut.
Boys, we finished limping the bike back home. We're just gonna get it up on this jack. I got my nut, my replacement spare nut I had. So we're gonna reinstall it here on the axle, and we should be good to go once again. Thanks, Nick, for limping it home. Here, come on this side, and you could take her off the jack stand. So just pull that pin out, the metal pin, and then you could flip the lever.
Lift up?
Yeah, and she'll lower.
Oh, that's how you do it. Jeez.
Very nice.
Pretty smooth.
Yeah. Nick's bike. What is this? ZX4R 2025?
Yes, sir.
What a beauty.
The KRT there. Which is just the green.
All right, let her rip. Race mode?
No, I don't think so. Not bad.
Special thanks to my homeboy Nick for riding with me today. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you'd like to see more videos, please like and subscribe.